What to do in London for 3 days. Best London travel guide. London isn't just a big city, it's a world of its own. Palaces, street markets, skyline views and cozy pubs all packed into one unforgettable experience. If you've got 3 days in London and want to make the most of every hour, this guide is your perfect plan. We'll mix must-see icons with hidden spots locals love. We'll save you time, show you smart walking routes and help you avoid the common tourist traps. Let's dive into your London adventure. Day 1 icons, bridges and royal history. Start your first day around 9:30 in the morning when the city starts to come alive. Begin at Westminster, one of the most iconic areas in London. Right here you'll find Big Ben, the Houses of Parliament and Westminster Abbey, all just steps from each other. Stand on Westminster Bridge and take in the view of the London Eye across the river. Then walk towards St. James Park. It's calm, green and full of ducks, swans and incredible views of Buckingham Palace. Around 11 o'clock, head to the changing of the guard at Buckingham Palace. It's classic London, and if you arrive early, you'll get a great view. After the ceremony, stroll through the mall and back toward Trafalgar Square, stop for lunch nearby. Try a classic fish and chips or go for something more modern like a sourdough sandwich or a bowl of curry. London is full of global flavors. By about 2 in the afternoon, head to the London Eye. You can either take the ride, which lasts around 30 minutes, or simply enjoy the riverside walk along South Bank. There's always something happening here. Musicians, food trucks, artists and pop-up book markets. Now cross over to Tower Bridge, but take your time, walk along the Thames past Shakespeare's Globe and maybe stop for a coffee at Borough Market if you need a break. Once you reach Tower Bridge, head up for the glass floor walk. It's a fun photo moment. From there, visit Tower of London, just next door. Explore the medieval fortress, the crown jewels and the ancient walls that once defended the city. To end the day, take the riverboat back toward Westminster. It's like a mini cruise through London's history. Dinner tonight? Choose a traditional pub near Covent Garden or explore the side streets of Soho. And if you're still awake after 10 at night, check out London's famous West End. It's full of lights, music and late night energy. Day 2 culture, views and the unexpected. Start the morning around 10 o'clock in South Kensington. Here you'll find some of the best museums in London and they're free to enter. Choose between the Natural History Museum, the Science Museum or the Victoria and Albert Museum, depending on your style. Once you've had your cultural fix, walk toward Hyde Park. Rent a bike, stroll around the Serpentine Lake or just sit by the water and watch the world go by. By around 1 o'clock, grab lunch at Mercato Mayfair, a stunning food hall inside a former church. Now it's time for shopping, architecture and pure London style. Head to Oxford Street for big stores or explore Carnaby Street for independent brands and cool cafes. Then make your way to Regent Street and Piccadilly Circus, full of energy, screens and people from all over the world. Now, here comes a quiet surprise. Walk up to Primrose Hill near Regent's Park. It's not a tourist hotspot, but locals love it. Climb to the top and you'll get one of the best skyline views of London without the crowds. For the evening, head to Camden. This neighborhood is full of life. Vintage shops, food stalls, music venues and canal walks. Have dinner here. Try Korean barbecue, vegan street food or a juicy burger. And if you're up for it, stay for live music at one of Camden's legendary pubs. Day 3 markets, hidden streets and skyline moments. Start your final day in Notting Hill around 10 in the morning. Explore the colorful houses. Walk through Portobello Road Market. It's full of antiques, street snacks, books and local art. Then take the tube to Shoreditch, one of London's most creative areas. It's full of murals, fashion and great coffee. Wander through Brick Lane, famous for its curry houses, vintage shops and street energy. Around 1 o'clock, stop for lunch at Spitalfields Market. You'll find food from every corner of the world. Sushi, tacos, ramen or fresh British pies. In the afternoon, head to St. Paul's Cathedral. Go inside if you want, but even just walking around the dome is impressive. Then cross Millennium Bridge toward the Tate Modern, a massive museum inside a former power station. It's free, it's bold, and it's a great place to rest your feet with a coffee and a view. To finish your trip, go up to the Sky Garden or the Shard. Both offer incredible views over London at sunset. Book ahead, go up as golden hour begins, and watch the city light up. It's the perfect end to your 3-day journey. Let's quickly recap your plan. Day 1 Westminster, Buckingham Palace, the Thames and Tower Bridge. Day 2 museums, Hyde Park, skyline views and the vibe of Camden. Day 3 markets, East London, modern art, and a rooftop sunset. London is more than history, it's movement, layers, contrast, surprise, and when you plan your days right, you don't just visit it, you feel it. You walk where kings once walked. You eat what locals love. You discover what guidebooks miss. And remember, in the description of the video, you'll find resources that can save you time and money during your trip. Down below, I've added tools I personally use and recommend they'll help you move around the city smarter. If this video helped you plan your adventure, give it a like and subscribe for more travel guides designed to make every trip unforgettable.